What's going on, guys? Marcus here at BMW of Reading. I just wanted to take this time to show you guys some of the features of your BMW, and we're gonna go over some tips. Today we're gonna start with pairing up your Bluetooth and how to reconnect if it ever loses the signal. All right, so first thing you guys want to do is have your phone ready. Either if you have an Apple or a Android, you're gonna go into the settings on your phone. You're gonna go into the connections or Bluetooth. I'm gonna go ahead and press that. And then on your iDrive screen, you're gonna go into Media Radio, and you're going to scroll down all the way to Bluetooth Audio or Manage Mobile Devices. You're gonna click that, and then you're gonna press Connect New Device. From there, you're gonna press Bluetooth Audio again, and then you're gonna see a certain number pop up, and then you're gonna have that pop up on your phone in the Bluetooth. You're gonna press it on your phone, and then you're gonna press it also on the iDrive. So if you do have Apple CarPlay compatibility, it's also gonna ask you if you want to use Apple CarPlay. You can either accept that or deny it. And then it's going to give you a whole different surface where you can play around with the Apple CarPlay once that turns on. So that was it for our Bluetooth tutorial for today. But keep an eye out on our page for upcoming tutorial videos. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.